I'm excited to share with you this metal workbench. This bench can hold up to 2,000 pounds. When I put it together, and I was able to do it by myself, it says 2 people are helpful. I did have my husband hold one portion when I put it together, but for the most part, 99% of it, one person can do it. It took me about 45 minutes, but the directions were really good. But when I was putting together, I just kept repeating, holy cow, this thing is sturdy. Like I said, it holds 2,000 pounds. It measures 47 inches wide, 65 inches tall, and 24 inches deep. It has 2 drawers on the front, and the drawers are metal as well. So super simple to even assemble those, but look at how smooth these are to glide. So you have 2 drawers. I have just only begun. I've had this going for a couple weeks, really trying to figure out, this is gonna be my tape and fastener drawer, but it's gonna be super handy, and it closes nice and flush. The doors down below are locking, and it comes with keys for that. Look at how much room. My favorite part is that there's not a divider bar in the middle. I enjoy doing woodwork and laser engraving, and sometimes you have pieces that are longer, and it's so tall that this piece here sits really nice in the corner, but I could even lay down a big piece if I needed. The doors close incredibly tight. They are magnets here, so watch this. Just solid, completely solid. Magnet on the top and magnet on the bottom. And again, they're lockable, makes it super handy. There's a pegboard system on each side, which I'm not going to be utilizing that by the way our garage is configured, but totally utilizing the pegboard on the back. It's square holes. So I found hooks that are good for the square pegboard system. It has 4 big holes. How handy. This is the tape measure that I enjoy using. It can just slip right into those holes. Many applications. This is my cordless drill. Hangs right there in the hole. It's also, since it is metal, I have some really powerful magnets, and I've been using those to hang some tools on. And the top part, super fun. It has a rubber mat. So when I'm doing my woodworking and finishing up stuff, it is protected, and this works area is huge. I still have my tool case that I can sit there so I can just take it from different projects. Still plenty of room. I can hang my sander if I didn't want to hang it. It can sit easily on this shelf up here, nice and sturdy, and it's deep enough that you can put things. This is my screwdriver. Sits right into the shelf. It also has a light that runs off of USB, and so I'm not by an outlet. I just have the USB plugged into a battery pack for when I'm out here working, but you can just simply turn it off. What's super fun about the light, since it is a magnet, you can move it to wherever. So if I'm doing some fine work down here, you can just move it wherever you want. I just love the versatility of being able to move it around. So if you are looking for a very incredibly sturdy workbench, I would definitely check this one out. I was super grateful when the company sent it to us to give it a try. Absolutely 2 thumbs up. Life is so much more productive with this workbench.